time, Pharaoh didn't listen to Moses. But don't worry, God is not finished yet. Today, God gives Moses a powerful promise. Let's see what happens next. God spoke to Moses and said, "I am the Lord. I appeared to Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and now I will keep my promise to rescue my people." Whoa! God is about to do something big. God told Moses, "I have heard the groaning of the Israelites, and I remember my promise to them. I will bring them out of Egypt with mighty power." God never forgets his people. God told Moses, "I will free my people. I will take them as my own and be their God. They will know that I am the Lord who rescued them from Egypt." Moses told the Israelites what God had said, but they were too tired and discouraged to listen. Life in Egypt was still hard, and their hearts were hurting. Even though the people didn't listen, God told Moses, "Go to Pharaoh again. Tell him to let my people go." But Moses said, "I'm not a good speaker. How will Pharaoh listen to me?" God told Moses, "Your brother Aaron will help you speak. I will give you my message, and he will tell it to Pharaoh." Yay! God always makes a way. God said again, "I am the Lord. I will bring my people out of slavery, and they will know that I am their God." God never breaks his promise. God gave Moses and Aaron the authority to lead his people and speak to Pharaoh. God was preparing them for the big task ahead. Moses and Aaron were now ready. God had spoken. His plan to save his people was in motion. Get ready. The great rescue is about to begin. And so, God's plan had begun. Moses and Aaron were ready to obey, and the Lord was with them every step of the way. Just like he is with you, always. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Until next time, remember, God's promises are true, and he always leads us with love. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing Bible adventures with me, Chirpy.